Mara and Miruna, and we are from Romania. This is our project, an 100% automatic beehive.
We have been working on it to ease the life of beekeepers and to also increase the bee population.
Notice that young people don't want to go in this field anymore, and that's a really big problem, because if the world remains without bees, that might end up to an accelerated human population, end of human population.
And our system is half the price of the utensils needed to manually take care of a beehive.
It's working really simple. It makes the difference between the parts that are filled with eggs and the ones that are filled with honey, and it only extracts the honey from the parts that are filled with it, and it doesn't hurt the larvae inside.
And then it lastly centrifuges the comb and then puts it back.